Me all. Yesterday we are looking into how to add a custom fields, and also we left with the two things. One is additional custom fields and custom fields. Okay, so today we're gonna look into that, and before that, we are not gonna add the additional field in a lead card. We just create that additional field. See, as you can see, I'm not going to click this additional field here. So there is a place where we can add that custom fields. So you need to go for more, their settings. Okay, there you need to click on forms and report settings. Okay, there you can see there's a custom fields to be added. Okay, here it will ask for in which pipeline you need to means in you need to create a custom fields in leads or a contact field or a company or in a deal stage. Okay, in even you can add a custom fields in quotation and also orders. So right now we are dealing with the leads, so we're gonna create a custom fields in leads only. Okay. Yes. Okay, see here there are many custom fields that we have created, that is, and yesterday from okay, list to contact we have created. Now we'll add a additional fields. So this is the additional custom fields. Here you can add as many as a responsible user also. As you can see, this is a string to files. This uh, there in lead card it will ask only for these options, but not for bind to users, bind to crm sections, bind to information block sections, bind to information block events, bind to crm events. So this will not ask in that section, so I just went through these steps. Okay, so bind to users, which means uh, if you want there is a default custom I mean default responsible users. So if you want one more user, this is the steps where we can add another custom responsible person. Responsible user. Okay, now I'm gonna create it, and I don't want this to be required, or even you can add a multiple users also. If you select this multiple, you can add more than one users. Okay, right now I don't want this option also. Okay, just click on save responsible user. Okay, you need to name 01. Yes, save this. You can see we have created the custom fields for another user, responsible user. So there we need to go to lead card. There you need to select that whichever the custom fields we have created. Okay, there you can see responsible user one. Okay, yes. Now you can see it is moreover like the same thing. The custom employees. Yes, you see this is a one responsible user, and we can add another responsible user. Okay, see this is okay. Yes. As you can see, we have added another responsible user also. You can add as many as responsible users, and we want to get back to the same place. Same forms and report custom fields. Add a custom fields in leads. Add custom fields. Okay, and see, it is for bind to users and bind to section list. You can add like where where this custom fields has to be there, or whether it is in source or lead contact. We can easily select the sections also, and we'll look into other sections. Bind to information block sections. Blocks means it's not blocking, it's not about blocking. Block means a square or rectangle. We can add a view checkbox, and we can select a gallery photos. This is for block sections. and also it is also same block events, also same something like block sections only, and bind to crm events elements. This is for to add a companies or anything to be added, so it is for bind to crm elements. Okay, and whatever the custom fields we have created, it will be arranged in these sections. Okay, you can easily, if you don't want some of the like I don't want the another responsible users, so just click on this action, and you can even edit it or delete it. I just gonna delete it. Yes, want to delete it, it's deleted, that's it. If you want directly we have deleted, you can even select and delete. See, this is for edit and this for okay. And next we're gonna look into the custom additional fields, that is in second. Okay, correct field. There you can see create a custom fields type, which means it will like something we need to uh, it's more like technical, and we can add widgets and also with things that we wanted for the custom fields. uh, this might be complicated, so you need to give this option for a developer, so it will be easier for developer, not for anybody who don't know the codings or anything related to like header footer, something like that. So better to head over to the developer team. And this is for the this video is for this custom fields creations. And thank you. And if you want to have a free Bitrix trial account, you have a link in description, you can get it and get a free trial account. And also there is a support link, if you want to have support from us, just click on that link and ask your queries. And that's it for this section. Thank you, thank you, and all.